Hey everyone, Eric here. I just want to do a comparison of the high grade universal century 1 to 144 Zaku 2 and Zaku 1. So since the Zaku 2 is the suit that replaces the Zaku 1, naturally there's going to be a lot of similar features and details. But in terms of the sets themselves, the Zaku 1 was produced later than the Zaku 2 for the high grade sets. Should have worded that properly. So for the Zaku 2 head, it's only the regular one. There's no commander fin. While for the Zaku 1 comes with a commander fin head plate and the regular one. They both have a bazooka. The Zaku 2 one has a much bigger bazooka, obviously, and it comes with a scope. So I guess this is a Zaku bazooka, and that's like Zaku 2 bazooka maybe. And the Zaku 1 comes with a shoulder guard to help support the bazooka. The Zaku 2 has 4 hands, while the Zaku 1 actually has 5 hands. Both of them have 2 open fists, left and right. And the Zaku 2 has two trigger fingers, one for left and one for right. While the Zaku 1 actually has it also has 2 trigger fingers, but they're both for the right hand. One of them is standard, and this one is bent a little. Sorry. It's a bit curved. It's a curved angle. That's so the bazooka can be held easily. And the main difference is that the Zaku 1 has an open hand. So I guess if you position it correctly, you can use it to like hold the bazooka, I guess. I haven't tried it, but they both come with a heat axe and a heat axe holder. I believe the heat axe is actually the same thing. Well, I guess the camera quality you can't really tell, but the Zaku 2 heat axe is of a slightly darker color. Unless my mind is playing tricks on me. So Zaku 1 shoulder pad doesn't have the spikes on it, and the Zaku 2, instead of having a punch shield, it just has the shield on the shoulder. This one has spikes on it. And of course the Zaku 2 has the leg missile pods, as well as those pipes around the head, the waist, and the legs. And the color is obviously different. This is blue and dark green, while that's light green and dark green. So I guess that's mostly it for the physical appearances. In terms of the articulation, the Zaku 1 has much better articulation compared to the Zaku 2. You can see a major difference in the arm articulation. Let's take a closer look. The Zaku 1 seems to be too dark. The color because it looks kind of funny on the camera. But hopefully you can see the difference. I'm sure the leg is actually around the same. Okay, maybe not. And my arm's in the way, so I probably should have planned this video better. And also for the Zaku one, there's actual waist articulation, up and down, left and right. While for the Zaku 2, none at all, because the torso, the body and the waist is actually one connected piece. Well, it's two, I believe it's two halves, but you get my point. There is no waist articulation in the Zaku 2 at all, because I guess they didn't figure that technology out when they first made it, but also these pipes probably would have interfered anyway. I'm sure they fixed it in the master grade versions, as well as the later high grade Zaku 2s. There's like the Zaku 2 FZ and the F2. There's a whole bunch of them now. So I guess since I'm comparing them, which one do I like better? I guess I'm gonna have to go with the Zaku one because it's has a better articulation. There's more accessories, and it also comes with the commander fin. And all. Well, I guess that's it. So see you guys in another video.